case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1999, a complex legal showdown played out in the United States District Court for the Western District of Tennessee. At the heart of the storm was a dispute over the founding of Star Hosiery Inc., a pivotal issue being the manner in which debenture notes, a type of debt instrument, were handled under Tennessee law in accordance with the Trust Indenture Act. In the early days of the establishment of Star Hosiery Inc. in 1995, lines of disagreement were drawn and later plunged the involved parties into a court battle. The plaintiffs alleged that due to flaws tied to the debenture notes, most if not all of the debt owed to them had not been forthcoming. The defendants contested this claim, asserting they were not bound by an attorney-client relationship with the plaintiffs. Meanwhile, the lower court was pulled in various directions. Denied were the plaintiffs, who sought a partial summary judgment on 4 counts, while the defendants found a mixed bag with their request for summary judgment on the whole case, partially granted, partially denied. The court, however, swung in favor of the plaintiffs on the matter of Star's failure to fulfill its debt obligations, categorizing this as an event of default according to the terms of the debenture notes. Rulings emerged with a sense of equilibrium. Plaintiffs were deemed to have a valid claim of breach of contract. Still, their allegations of breach of state common law fiduciary duty fell flat. As for the defendants, they found victory in their motion for summary judgment on some counts, but their claims were not so successful across the board. The substantial issue of professional negligence by the defendants remained unresolved, as did their claims that the debenture notes were voided due to a condition precedent that never transpired. Whittling down the plaintiff's argument, the court disallowed their motion for partial summary judgment entirely. As the dust settled, the court underscored Star's failure to pay and left the heated issue of a condition precedent unresolved. The court determined that the plaintiffs had indeed waived the condition precedent and accepted a modified performance. At the end of this legal melee, debts were allowed to be recovered. Professional negligence claims continued to hang like a specter, and the dynamics of corporate debt repayment under Tennessee law had been thoroughly examined.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.